Training Note and Guidelines. Subject: Clarification on retention of daughter's name in family details of central government pensioners. Reference: DUP and PW Order No. 11-15-2020 to P and PW 2 8363 2 dated 30th October 2024. Background of this order. The Central Civil Services Pension Rules 2021 have replaced the earlier CCS Pension Rules 1972. Under Rule 50-15 of the 2021 rules, every government servant is required to submit family details in Form 4 at the time of entry into service. Include all relevant family members, spouse, children, parents, and disabled siblings, irrespective of eligibility for family pension. Update family details in Form 4 again at the time of retirement along with pension papers. Issue clarified. Queries were received on whether the daughter's name can be deleted from the family details after retirement of the government servant. The department's earlier order dated 7th October 2022 and the latest order dated 30th October 2024 clarify. The government servant pensioner must include all family members in the family details, whether eligible for family pension or not. Daughter's name shall remain included in the family records if it has been furnished in the prescribed proforma. Eligibility for family pension will be assessed only after the demise of the pensioner or family pensioner, as per the rules prevailing at that time. Key points for government employees. No deletion of daughter's name from family details post-retirement merely on grounds of ineligibility for family pension at present. Maintain an up-to-date Form 4 during service and submit again before retirement. Names included in Form 4 serve as the official record for determining family pension eligibility later. Guidelines for personnel administrative sections. Ensure awareness among retiring employees that names of all family members, including daughters, remain in the official record. Advise employees to furnish complete details at joining and update them periodically, especially before retirement. Retain the final verified Form 4 in the pensioner's service record. Eligibility determination for family pension is a post-demise process, handled strictly as per prevailing CCS pension rules. Purpose of the clarification: to standardize practice across ministries' department. To avoid disputes and grievances related to family pension claims in the future. To ensure compliance with CCS pension rules 2021 and DUP and PW guidelines. Takeaway for employees: do not request removal of a daughter's name from your family details after retirement. Keep your family records complete and updated. The pension eligibility will be decided later as per rules. Practical example. Case 1. Pensioner dies, leaving behind spouse and a married daughter not eligible at this stage. Case 2. Later, spouse dies, and the married daughter is now a widow and dependent. She becomes eligible for family pension from the date of spouse's death, provided she meets dependency norms. Thank you.